The cost of installing gutters on a home varies a lot, depending on the type of material and its complexity. The cheapest type is vinyl, which is easy to install and is the least expensive material to purchase. The cost of a 100-foot seamless gutter is between $1 and $3. Aluminum, on the other hand, costs $5 to $15 per linear foot and is more durable. The cost for a 150-foot project may range from $750 to $2,300. Copper is the most expensive material and is highly sought after. Water damage to your home is a serious concern if your gutters are not installed properly. Not only can it cause damage to your siding and foundation, but it can also wreak havoc on your landscaping. Additionally, a poorly maintained gutter can harbor bugs and a nest of pests. In Nampa, tree coverage is in the top 15 percentile, making gutter installation a necessity for the city. The cost of new installation in Nampa depends on several factors. The type and its complexity can determine the cost of the installation. Most professionals charge per linear foot, and higher-end materials are more expensive to install. However, this difference does not mean that the price is higher. You can always request a free estimate from a local professional. If you have some extra money, ask them to include a warranty, but don't expect it to cover your entire installation costs.